What's up, guys? Welcome back. Y'all probably wondering why my house is a wreck and got tools everywhere. I had a box over here and it had a bicycle motor in it, and I've been putting that thing together. Anyway, it has some extra parts and stuff, but here it is. That's what I got so far. I need to put the chain on, sprocket, and I broke some bolts. Tightening it down, the bolts are kind of weak. This is what I did for the handlebars. Anyway, there's my brake right there. And then I have my clutch. It's pretty tight. Gear shifter. And I put this on and I had to cut it off right there. But it's on there. Here's the other side. Which is a pretty awesome bike build because I bought it out of an auction. It's got the performance head on it. And I'm gonna put a bolt in there and tighten that down, and I busted off one of the bolts. I have to fix that. Batman. Anyway, I just have to hook the chain up, and then I have to fix this piece right here. And then it's running. And I'm gonna buy I lost a nut and a washer, so I need that. And I want a bunch of zip ties to clean all this up. But other than that, it looks pretty good. I bought the bicycle at a pawn shop for about $80 after taxes. And it had this thing on it. This light came with it. It's a pretty bright light. And it had a lock on there. And I also got this light also. So for $80, I got a couple light kits. I think they're good ones. And I bought this motor out of an auction. I got it for $75. It had the bicycle already with it, but there was a kid who wanted the bicycle, so I just gave him the bicycle. And it was the same bike as this one. It just didn't have the lights on it. It also came with a lock and key. So anyway, I got all that stuff for, about $155. I got a motorized bicycle for $155. I had to build it, but still pretty cool. Anyway, that's my motorized bicycle build. And I'm gonna try it out, see how well it runs. Still gotta put the cable on, or the chain on, and this the chain and the tensioner pulley or whatever. That's about it. I hope you like this video. Hope you subscribe to my channel, and more to come.